Hey everybody, this is Robert Jones, your Market Center Tech Trainer, and this week for Tech Tip Tuesday, we're going to be covering how to grow your network and send a referral. You know the next step, everybody. We're going to hop right on into Command, so get logged in and hop on over to the Referrals icon. A couple important things to note when working with referrals is that you have to grow your network of trusted agents. Let me show you a way that you can search for agents in an area that you might want to make a referral in. Over here on this bar, we're going to choose the Grow My Network option. And if you have a part of the country that you know specifically that you're looking for an agent in, you can go ahead and zoom into that area. Now today I'm going to use a good buddy of mine that I know is based out of the Briar Creek office. So we're going to zoom into North Carolina and I'm going to type in Jay Sutton, who I love to death, and I'm going to go ahead and add him to my referral network. I don't know why he isn't already in my referral network. Maybe because we're in the same town. All right, so I've sent that invitation there. Once we're ready to make a referral, once we've potentially made contact with this agent, up in the top right-hand corner, you're going to choose New Referral. Once in here, you're going to type the name of an agent that you want to send a referral to. Now, since Jay has not accepted my network request yet, I'm going to choose an agent that is already in my network. Connie Rice out of Greenville, South Carolina. I'm going to go ahead and click on her name. Next, you can choose whether it's a buyer referral, a seller referral, or a tenant or a landlord. Notice that it defaults to 25%, and you can even set the duration for how long it gives the agent to accept your referral. If you have pertinent information like how little your client wants to offer or how much they can afford, you can go ahead and put that in there now. And then, of course, you can leave a note. If the client you're referring is already in your database, you can go ahead and look for their name here now and select them and add them to the referral. Also choose whether they've already been pre-approved or not. Once you've put all the pertinent information in, it's as easy as clicking the send button. Then the agent will have the allotted amount of time for them to accept your referral. Once a referral's been sent, you can always track your referrals under the button here that says Track Referrals, or you can choose My Referrals, and this will show any referrals that you have sent or received. I hope that this gives you the opportunity to grow your business and grow your network with other Keller Williams agents across the country, and in the future, the world. Once again, I am Robert Jones, your Market Center Tech Trainer. I wish you all a very Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays, and I'll see y'all after the break.